Hello hair world, happy holidays. We have an amazing game that we created for you on our website where you're going to be able to share with your friends and get amazing discounts. We're talking about saving you money. We have various products, high quality. Come, let's take a look. I want to show you on the website how you're going to save money. To save money this holiday season, you're just going to go to our website. You're going to go to www.Msbeautyhair.com. Go down to the add to cart. Once deleted, you will see share now for discount. You click. You will have to put your email inside. So here, you'll be able to share on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with any of your friends or family. You can share here on Facebook. So come on, Jasmine, come help me to share.
Hey Dad, what do you need?
I need for you to go to Facebook, check on your Facebook. I just made a post from Msbeautyhair.com. I need for you to click on it, share it, because it is going to allow us to be able to get discounts on your hair extensions and wigs.
Okay, doing it now.